aren't you allowed to?
I'm not allowed to at this point.
Why?
My dad's a lawyer.
Your dad's a lawyer?
My dad's a lawyer.
Your dad's a lawyer? Ms. Gilbert, have you had anything to drink tonight?
I answered this. I'm having a PTSD.
From what?
When pulled over for a suspected DUI, this driver tries the ultimate excuse. My dad is a lawyer. Let's see if her entitlement saves her from going to jail.
From what? Being when I was a child?
I'm sorry to hear that. Why would this trigger
I'm
that?
asking for help. This is not triggering it, but I'm trying to get to my boyfriend's house, so excuse.
So you haven't had anything to drink?
No.
All right, if you would go and step out of the vehicle and make sure you're not under the influence, and we'll have you on your way, all right?
I'm not allowed to.
You're not allowed to? What do you mean? Why aren't you allowed to?
I'm not allowed to at this point.
Why?
My dad's a lawyer,
Your dad's a lawyer?
and I'm not allowed to.
Well, even as a lawyer, he would tell you if you're ordered out of a vehicle that you should that you have to comply.
He's told me otherwise.
No, he wouldn't tell you that you don't have to come out if you're told to.
He's a piece of shit. So.
That's what it sounds like he would say. He's giving you bad information. If you would go and step out, if you're not under the influence, you'd be on your way. All right, so come on
I'm
out.
not allowed to, so...
No, go ahead and step out.
I'm not allowed to.
Explain to me why you're not allowed to.
He'll kill me.
He's not going to kill you. He would tell you, if he was giving you sound legal advice, he'd tell you when you're ordered out of a vehicle to step out. Come on out.
I'm not allowed to.
Last chance.
I'm not allowed to.
All right, come on out. Come on out. Come on over here. Are you able to walk a straight line?
Yes.
Can you balance on one foot?
Yes.
All right. You want to bring your feet together for me? You're going to follow the red light with your eyes only, and you're going to keep your head still. Do you understand?
Yes.
Keep your head still. What's going on? Do we have to call fire rescue?
Pistol.
You passed what?
I tried my pistol.
When the lawyer excuse fails, she suddenly claims a medical emergency.
For what?
I just lay down. It's a trick.
All right, Ms. Gilbert, let me explain something, all right? This episode that you're having, while I understand that it might be genuine, we still have an investigation to do.
But the officer smells alcohol and instantly recognizes this classic delay tactic after struggling with the basic instructions.
The more you're exasperating, I can smell the odor of an unknown alcoholic beverage coming off of your breath. We got something to do here, and if you got to go to the hospital, we can continue the investigation there. Ms. Gilbert, do you wish to do the exercises with me?
Yes.
All right, if you would, come to your feet, please. I still have to do the pen light test, all right? All right, the instructions are the same as before. Follow the red light with your eyes only and keep your head still. Now place your right foot in front, heel touching toe. When I tell you to begin, I want you to take 9 heel to toe steps. Take the series of small steps to turn around, and then take 9 heel to toe steps back. Once you start, you don't stop. You keep your arms at your sides.
She completely refuses the balance test. This leaves the officer with enough probable cause to make an immediate arrest.
You do?
9 steps.
9 heel to toe steps, and then what? Then the turnaround that I showed you, and 9 heel to toe steps back. All right, for this next exercise, it's gonna be the one leg stand. All right, you can go ahead and step off the line, or you can just stand. You can just stand right there too. That's fine too.
You guys are over it. Do whatever you have to do.
We're still giving you a chance. What are you talking about?
Shaking your head. I need to.
I'm not shaking my head. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and bring your feet together, just like mine are.
I'm sorry to waste your time.
Not wasting my time. I'm on the clock.
You got me in the middle of.
The middle of what?
You look back in your.
She was arrested for DUI and resisting an officer, ultimately receiving 12 months probation and hefty fines.
Video footage. I told you.
No, you didn't tell me anything. I don't know what you're talking about. Do you wish to continue the exercises, ma'am? I don't understand what you're asking for help with. To deal with what?
PTSD.
To deal with PTSD?
Like I just told you.
Subscribe to Bodycam Brief for more unfiltered police
I would suggest that you
encounters.
seek counseling for that, but during a DUI investigation isn't the time to deal with that.
It was not during it.
No, I'm
You
saying,
walked up to me and I told you all.
and that's not what I said to you. I said I suggest you seek counseling for that, but during a DUI investigation is not the time to deal with it.
Not during. Look back.
This is a
Look
DUI
back.
investigation. Okay, I'm going to ask you one last time, Ms.
Look
Gilbert.
back.
Do you
It's
wish to
all
participate in standardized field sobriety exercises?
Yes.
All right, when you're ready, go ahead and stand up.
Okay.
Please come to your feet. Bring your feet together, hands at your sides. This is going to be the one leg stand. When I tell you to begin, and not before then, you're going to raise 1 foot approximately 6 inches off the ground. While you're doing that, you're going to keep both knees straight. You're going to look down at your raised foot, and you're going to count out loud. 1001, 1002, and so on until I tell you to stop. Okay, just watch me. Just do exactly what I'm showing you. Both knees are straight. My toes are pointed out. My hands are at my sides, and I'm looking down at my foot. This is all you have to do for 30 seconds. Do you see what I'm doing, Miss Gilbert?
I'm not doing this.
You're not doing it? All right, you're being placed under arrest for driving under the influence, and as well as obstructing an officer.
And on, right?
Yep, we got 4 cameras out here.
Well, you didn't remember anything, so.
You didn't cooperate, so that's where we're at with that. All right, go ahead and take a seat.
Despite her extreme entitlement and the lawyer dad excuse, reality quickly set in for Anna. According to court records, she was officially arrested for driving under the influence and resisting an officer. Ultimately, she had to accept a plea deal. While the DUI charge was dropped, she pled guilty to reckless driving and resisting arrest. The judge sentenced her to 12 months of probation and ordered her to pay over $1,200 in court costs and fines. A harsh reality check that no one is above the law. Subscribe to Bodycam Brief for more unfiltered police encounters.